So one more thing, coming back to the coaches part of it, as I said, Indian coaches, especially what the name comes to my mind is P.A. Raffle. P.A. Raffle is also a good coach, and plus the women's coach, I think Baldev Singh, who is doing a fantastic work in Haryana, Shabad. They are not given their due recognition. What do you feel?
Baldev was there in the, with Rajinder Singh. He was coaching as assistant coach also. He was there, no doubt. But the contribution which he has given to the women hockey, I think he is the person who can, produce a lot of young, talented hockey players from Shabad and from Haryana. And he has showed that, I am a hard worker and I have produced. One time, I think 7 to 8 or maybe 10 girls were playing for India from Shabad and Haryana. And I am really thankful to Haryana government that whenever the team was won, whether it is hockey or boxing or whichever game, they have always, recognized their hard work. As Haryana was one state, whenever, last 20-25 years I am watching them, that whenever players used to win, there was a very good and very large incentives have been paid to the players.
Okay.
And Baldev, yes, no doubt, Baldev was given lot of girls to Indian hockey, and he is a very, very hard worker. I won't say that he has not got his D or something. He was coaching men's team also. He was coaching women team also.
But he should have got his Dronacharya.
Yes, I think he should get Dronacharya award.
And what about Raffle?
He was working with grassroots level, and he has produced a lot of youngsters who have represented our country. It is not only girls. He has produced men's team also. Raffle, I think last 10-15 years he is not in India. He is coaching, but when he was there in Indian side, when he was coaching Bangalore team and Karnataka team and all, that time he was, yes, a very highly educated coach. He used to read players' mind, and he knew that how to train the boys. But that time, I'm telling 20 years back, a lot of competition was there.
Okay.
That time, Jamanlal Sharma, MP, Ganesh, then Balkishan Singh, Cedric D'Souza, Marcellus Gomes, then there were a lot of coaches were there.
Okay. What happened to your pet project, Dhanraj? I think I still remember you and Ashish selling computer cartridges to start this academy, DBH, Dhanraj Balal Hockey Academy. So what is the position now about that academy?
I think Balal Dhanraj Hockey Academy was running, still running it is. I think he wanted my name. I gave my name to run this academy in Bangalore, and he was organized, corporate tournaments and all the tournaments. But what I was very disappointed with is that he removed my name, and whenever DPHA officials or DPHA people I asked what is going on in Dhanraj Balal Hockey Academy, they never ever opened up their project or something like that, and quietly they removed my name. I was very disappointed with this attitude of people, because whenever they needed my name they used, and quietly they removed also.
Okay.
So I think I should be very careful hereafter. My name, I think every hockey lovers or every hockey fraternity knows that Dhanraj, what kind of hockey he has played. Hereafter I will be very, very careful whom to give my name.
Okay. And one more thing, Dhanraj. So there's a lot of talk, a lot of discussion going on about the Bharat Ratna. So who do you feel Bharat Ratna should be given first to Dhyan Chand or jointly given to Sachin Tendulkar and Dhyan
First
Chand?
you have to think whether Dhyan Chand Saab, no doubt I will be very happy to see that one hockey legend is getting the Bharat Ratna tournament, Bharat Ratna award. The criteria we missed, what is the criteria, and whether government of India is recognizing who are no more and they are recognizing with Bharat Ratna. I'll be happy to see that Dada Dhyan Chand is getting a Bharat Ratna.
Okay.
But I feel that, why not Vishwanathan Anand?
Okay.
Last 25-30 years, he is number 1 and number 2.
So you prefer Vishwanathan Anand ahead of Dhyan Chand?
No, that is separate Dada Dhyan Chand.
Okay.
Living legends who are playing for the country, Sachin Tendulkar is there, Vishwanathan Anand is there, Leander Pace is there. Abhinav Bindra is the only player who won the gold medal in the Olympics after hockey.
Ah.
Why not he?
Okay.
Why people are talking only for
Cricket.
one person?
One person. Okay. So you're saying there's a lot of people.
I am happy. Everybody should get recognition. Sachin Tendulkar.
Including Dhanraj.
No, I don't think I should, get that Bharat Ratna. But yes, Sachin Tendulkar, yes, no doubt. But he is still playing for the country.
Okay. Okay.
The criteria is that you should give it to Sachin. So think about Vishwanath Anand, think about Leander Pace, think about Abhinav Bindra, think about our billiard champion Geet Sethi, Pankaj Advani. Think about him. They are also world champion. They also beat world champion teams. So why not them?
But
No doubt, Sachin Tendulkar is a legend player. Sachin has given his life to Indian cricket. 23 years he represented. He has sacrificed a lot, and he has sacrificed a lot of things. His happiness and he played for the country. If Sachin gets it, I will be happiest person.
Okay. Okay. And one more thing, if I'm talking about awards in India, about the Indian government, normally our players itself fails to write a application and say we have done so much achievement. Then
That
they
is
select
wrong.
for the
That is the
award.
wrong thing. Unfortunately, I have not done that. Whatever award I got, Padma Shri or Rajiv Gandhi or Arjun Award or my state award, I think Government of India and Maharashtra state government has recognized my hard work, recognized my contribution, and that's why without any application or without any letter, I got all this award.
Okay.
And I don't feel, I don't think that players should do all these things.
Okay.
But in today's time, I can say that you can buy your awards.
So, but one thing, Dhanraj, 1952, Helsinki Olympics, Jadhav wins the bronze in wrestling, but posthumously he gets the Arjuna Award in 1972. So all these things happen in Indian sports, Dhanraj.
That is, you see now, I feel that, Mervyn Fernandez was a
Class player.
I think that time we used to touch him like, we are touching God. Mervyn Fernandez, Zafar Iqbal, or Mohammad Shahid, or Joaquim Carvalho, because they were the stars players that time. That Arjuna Award also not recognized that time to Mervyn Fernandez.
Okay.
Last year, I think this year, 2011, 2012, January, they announced Padma Shri to Zafar Iqbal.
Okay.
This award should have been
A long time back.
They should have
84,
received
84
84 Los Angeles Olympics,
Exactly.
86, 84 Moscow Olympics, then 82 Asian Games. They were there in the team.
Yeah.
And Mervyn Fernandez played 3 Olympics. And he was the greatest, I think,
Center forward.
inside right
player.
position player.
Okay.
Because we all learned a lot of things from him.
Okay.
Whether it is Mohammad Shahid or Mervyn Fernandez or M.M. Somaya or Joaquim Carvalho or Zafar Iqbal. Because Zafar coached me. Mervyn Fernandez coached me in Indian Airlines. And Somaya was my, I can say, mentor also, because when I played my first national, he was the captain with the Bombay team. And he was teaching me how to hold the ball, how to stop the ball on AstroTurf in Delhi Stadium, National Stadium. Joaquim Carvalho was my personal coach when, because of him I could play for the country. 5-6 years he has worked on me.
You from Mahindra and Mahindra you went to Indian Airlines, but Mahindra and Mahindra is now for the present they stopped their football team also. I think your brother Ramesh was also with the.
First job was mine was RCF, Rashtriya Chemicals and Fertilizer, where I was there for 2 years. 14 years I was with Mahindra and Mahindra. No regret. Mahindra has looked after me like their own son, own child. And whenever I used to go to foreign trips or Indian camps, always Anand Mahindra Saab or Keshav Mahindra Saab have supported me, and my sports secretary Mr. Hilary Gomes always he supported me, and when they stopped hockey, that time also they said that whoever playing for the country, we will not
Throw them out.
disturb them, whatever facilities, whatever best we could, we will definitely do for them.
Okay.
And they have done.
Okay.
But I wanted to play hockey, and that's why I could.
Okay. Join Indian Airlines.
And it was my dream to join Indian Airlines because a player like Mervyn Fernandez and
Shahid
Zafar Iqbal and Shahid
Tick and
and
Singh.
yes, Tick
Toiba.
and Toiba, a lot of great players were played for Indian Airlines.
Okay.
Shakil Ahmed, Arif, Mukesh, and Vashish Ballal, Subaya. All great players were played in that team, and that's why I wanted to join Indian Airlines. And now it has become Air India now, last 4
Yeah,
years,
okay.
because after merging,
Airlines.
we have become a Air India team now.
I think Yuvraj is scholar.
Yuvraj Valmiki is there in Air India. His younger brother is there with us. Vikram Pillai too. Younger brothers are there with Air India.
Okay.
Air India and Indian Airlines is one team in the country that we give lot of opportunity to the young generation on scholarship, and then they groom, and then if they are good enough, we give them a job. They represent our country, we give them a job and all. And if not, the other teams are there to take them.